Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time again, I'm talking about Tron TRX crypto. Absolutely, unfortunately, the TRX price changes is going negative, but don't worry, guys. Very soon, these changes will become positive and they will make you millionaire, guys. You can see on this time if we talk about the currently live price of TRX was 0.09445 USD dollar. That is the currently price of TRX. Another side, and we talk about the changes updates from now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. These all changes going negative in the TRX, but don't worry, guys, that is a temporary changes. After some passage of time, the price will again start pumping, guys, so just hold it. It takes time, guys. Very soon you found TRX Tron again is in the huge pump, so just hold, never decide to sell, guys. You can see, guys, if you look here, so unfortunately the price is dump, but in the latest situation you can see here now the price start pumping, guys, and I believe, guys, that for a long time TRX will continue pumping, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.